Welcome back, graduates. Today I'm going to show you how to create custom page templates, and also if you do not want to use custom page templates, then I'm going to teach you how to assign through Metafields different content on product pages. So when looking onto your store, if I go to Ecomify mug, for example, demo purposes only, you'll see that I have under details that's pulling in from the product description, a size chart, and then also shipping and returns. This is the part that I'm going to show you how to change out if you do have different products that have different shipping and returns policies. So what you want to do is you're going to go into the back end of your Shopify store dashboard, and it will look like this. If you do have Ecomify uploaded, then you're just going to click on Customize, and there's two ways to go about this, through custom page templates or through Metafields. I'm going to show you through custom page templates, for example, right now. Once I click on Customize, I'm going to be entered into my dashboard. Right over here, you can scroll down and click on the product to go to that product default page, or if you are at home, you can go to home page navigation here, go to products, and then go to default product. Once you are here, all these products are assigned to you'll notice that 25 products, which are all my products, they are assigned to the default product. So what this is saying is that the details is pulled in through the product description. The size chart will be the same and visible on all products, and then also the content on shipping and returns will be visible on all. If you do not want shipping and returns and there's different policies based on products, what you can do is create different page templates. Go into products and create a page, create a template, and I'm going to name this mug. And you can have it based on the default product or the t-shirts for demo purposes only. So I'm going to have it based on default product, and this will be the mug template. Once I create this template, you'll see that I am going to be editing on the mug template in the theme editor. So this means that if I scroll down and I go to my size, my shipping and returns, I'll have different template here. So right over here, I can change out this and say, we are not shipping, just for demo purposes right over here. I'm going to save this. And so now scrolling down on the mug product template, I'm going to see just a simple text, we are not shipping internationally. When you go onto the store, you'll see that going into the mug, at the moment, it still says our return policy allows customers. So this is still pulling in the default template. The next step you're going to want to do is go into the back end of your dashboard and go into your products. Right over here where it says Ecomify mug, I'm going to click on that product, and scrolling middle of the screen, it's going to have online store theme template, and I'm just going to assign it to the mug. Give Shopify a bit to update, and then it will reflect the new shipping and returns. So let's see if Shopify updated, and now it updated. So when you are on any other product, it will show on the default product with the same content. However, when assigning different product templates and putting in different content, it will display different. So we had created in the theme editor, we created a new product template called mug, and we told that this is going to be the content to display for only mug templates. And we went into the back end in your products, and we assigned the template to mug. So therefore, it pulled in, when I refresh, it pulls in the new content right over here. There is a different way to do this through Metafields. So what you can do is go into your customizer. Actually, I apologize. Go into settings right over here, and you're going to click on Metafields, and you're going to click on products. Then you're going to add a definition, and you can write in shipping and returns shipping and returns, and then also you're going to select a type, and this is going to be a single line type and one value. There's no list of values, it's just going to be one value. And I'm going to click save. So now once my Metafield is set, shipping and returns, I can go into the back here and into home. And once you go into your products here, on all your products, there's going to be a Metafield available at the very bottom. And these are where your Metafields are displayed right over here. And for demo purposes, this is the other alternative. Instead of page templates, you can do it through Metafields. So for example purposes, I'm going to choose aluminum bottle. Scrolling down here, I can just add, we happily ship to USA and all So I wrote this shipping and returns. And what I'm going to do instead is this is going to be on a default product still, and it is the Metafield shipping and returns. So when I go into my theme editor, Ecomify, and click customize, I can go into the products here, go into my default product right over here, and right under the product template in the blocks for shipping and returns only, you can have the title be shipping and returns, but then if Shopify updates soon, in the description here, you can delete all of this and you can just insert dynamic source and you can show more, or you can choose shipping and returns, the Metafield that we just created, and it will look like this. So you just want to delete the rest and you want to click save. So now on the Ecomify aluminum bottle, you'll scroll down and you'll see we happily ship to the USA and all surrounding borders. So what this is saying is pull dynamically this content that is assigned on the products and in their Metafields. So what this also means is that when you go into the theme editor and this is on the default product page and you're assigning the description to shipping and returns Metafield, you have to go into each of your products now. So the Ecomify sports bra, you have to fill in this Metafield if it's going to be different, because right now this will be blank. If you view this, the shipping and returns will be blank because you haven't put anything and you haven't assigned anything to that Metafield. So this way is a lot more customization and friendly if you do have a lot more products to handle and to customize. The product template is for one or two that you want to add in, but also you can build out landing pages with the mug template as well. So it gives a lot more flexibility. There's pros and cons. So for example, if I go into the mug, this is specifically for the mug template. Scrolling down, I can add, because I'm on Shopify 2.0, I can add any other sections I want to build out beautiful landing pages on this product page that will only be visible if someone lands on the mug. And that is a rundown for the Metafields and the custom page templates. Thank you.